In this lecture, I am going to tell you about the membership test in a set. So I am giving the comment using membership test.
This video is brought to you by OppiePies Academy.
You might be remembering we have used this membership test in case of tuples also. So it is going to do the same thing as it did in case of tuples. It will find a particular element if it is present. If it is present in the set, it will return Boolean value true. Otherwise, it will return Boolean value false. So I have taken this set with the name all, and using the set method, I have defined the elements 12, 22, 23, etc. Then I have written print 34 in all. Now what does it mean? It will look for a value called 34 in the set all. If it is present, if it is there, it will return Boolean value true, otherwise it will return false. So as you can see, the output is true. After executing this program, we have seen this output to be true. Why? Because the value 34 is present in the set. Now I'm going to give deliberately I am going to give a value which is not present in the set. So I will execute this program and we will expect an answer false. Yes, the output is false. Why? Because 100 is not present. 100 is not present in the set. So that is why it has returned the Boolean value false. Okay. We can alternatively we can do one thing. We can take a variable like suppose I have taken the variable with the name flag. So what I am going to do is I am going to write like 45 in all. So it is a membership test. It will look for 45 in the set all, and as usual what it will do is it will return true if it is present. If it is not present, it will return false. So I am giving the comment output will be stored in the variable flag, and as you might have judged, the value of the data type of flag is going to be Boolean. So here data type of flag will be Boolean. In fact, in Python we call it bool. So in general terms we call it Boolean. The value is either false or true. So now in this output it is going to be true. Why? Because 45 is present in the set, right? As you can see, in the set 45 was present, so that is why it has returned the value true. And when it returned the value Boolean value true, it assigned it to the variable flag, and subsequently I printed the value of the variable flag, which was printed to be true.